I am a monkey. ये क्या है children? Monkey. Oh, ये तो मेरे पास ही आ गया है. How cute he is. Who are you? I am a sea animal. I am a fish. Oh, I am a tortoise. I can also live in the land and the water. Hello. I am a zebra. I live in the land. मैं land पे रहता हूँ. I am an elephant. I also live in the land. Who is it? It is giraffe. And this doggy. Dog तो आपने देखा ही होगा. And the king of the jungle is. Meet him. He is the king of the jungle. Its name is lion. Lion क्या होता है? जंगल का राजा होता है, शेर. Can you tell me why I am showing you these animals today? आज हम जंगल क्यों आए हैं और आज हम लोग इन सारे एनिमल्स से क्यों मिल रहे हैं? Because today we are celebrating Animals Day. आज हम Animals Day celebrate कर रहे हैं, तो आज हम इन animals के बारे में जानेंगे. So children, do you know, like us, animals also have emotion. They can also feel pain, fear. उनको भी डर लगता है, उनको भी दर्द होता है ना? But वो हमसे बोल नहीं पाते हैं. So we also need to respect them. So we also need to respect the animals, the plants, and the natural resources like water. I am going to tell you one of the most easiest and effective way to protect the natural resources and the plant life and animal life. So you have to reduce your use of water in your home and your garden. हमको water waste नहीं करना चाहिए, so that the animals that live in near the water can have better chance to survival, so that they are not in endangered. तब वो लोग endangered यानी खत्म होने की कगार पर नहीं आएंगे. We humans as the most intelligent species on the earth, so it's our responsibility. We have to protect them and we have to save them
and take care of them.
हमें उनको सेव करना चाहिए और उनकी केयर भी करनी चाहिए. Otherwise, they will be in endangered. Children, the means of endangered when any animal or plants become to die. जब वो मरने या खत्म होने की कगार पर आ जाते हैं, तो वो endangered यानी danger zone में आ जाते हैं. So we have to protect them. और हमें उनकी natural habitat यानी जंगलों को भी नहीं काटना चाहिए. जहाँ पर वो लोग रहते हैं ना, अगर हम जंगलों को काटते जाएंगे तो animals कहाँ जाएंगे? So children, there are so many animals and the plant species are in endangered zone. Some of them I am going to tell you. So children, it is tiger. It is an endangered species. हमें tiger को save करना चाहिए. And do you know, today is Global Tigers Day. So today we are also going to celebrate Global Tigers Day. आज हम Tigers Day भी celebrate करेंगे और Animals Day भी. Okay? So children, tell me, did you ever seen the real tiger? आपने कभी real tiger देखे हैं? In the zoo or in the story books, TV, cartoon character, आपने tigers को देखा तो होगा ही. अगर आपने tiger को देखा है, तो can you tell me something about the tigers? So tigers कैसे होते हैं? Let's know some facts about the tiger. You know, tiger is our national animal. International Tigers Day is celebrated on 29th July. It is also called Global Tigers Day or World Tigers Day. It is celebrated to raise the awareness of tiger and their habitat. I am showing you a dummy of the tiger. ये एक टाइगर का डमी है. So with the help of this, I am going to tell you some facts about the tiger. Tiger is a large and very strong mammal with the short reddish orange fur and the black strips, as you can see here. Tiger is the largest member of the cat family. इसको हम लोग big cat भी कहते हैं. And tigers are carnivores. Carnivore means मांसाहारी, जो मांस खाते हैं, जो अदर दूसरे एनिमल्स को खाते हैं, जिन्हें हम कार्निवोर्स कहते हैं। टाइगर लिव्स इन सेवरल पार्ट ऑफ द एशिया, बट दे आर endangered in all their habitat. टाइगर endangered स्पीशीज में है, ये जल्दी ही खत्म होने वाले हैं, so we have to protect them. They are become to extinct. ये खत्म होने की कगार पर आ गए हैं। Why? Because हम लोग जंगलों को काटते जा रहे हैं, तो इनके घर खत्म होते जा रहे हैं, तो ये भी मरते जा रहे हैं। So we need to save the tiger. टाइगर के बारे में हम बहुत सारी चीजों को जाने और उनको सेव करने की कोशिश करें। As we have learned so many facts about the tiger.
On the Global Tigers Day, now it's
time to our activity in which we will make a tiger. Okay, now let's see how we will make it.
So let's start activity, kids. For activity we need a drawing sheet and a orange sheet or tiger color sheet. If you don't have the sheet, then you can use the drawing sheet and you can color it like this. Okay, now first we will take this orange paper and put your palm on the paper like this and draw it. Then you will get this type of palm shape. Okay, आपको ऐसा shape मिलेगा. So it will be the body of the tiger. Now we have to outline it with the help of black color and complete it like this. Okay, now on the other side of the paper we will make a face like this and also outline it with the help of black color and fill it. And you have to make one tail also and color it like this with the black color. Now children, we have to cut all three things: the body of the tiger, the mouth of the tiger and the tail of the tiger. So let's cut it. With the help of your parents, you will cut it with the scissors. Okay, after it, now we will make the black strips in the body of the tiger like this and cover the whole body of the tiger with these patches like this. Now take the mouth of the tiger, which we have already cut, and tail also. Now children, we have to assemble mouth and tail with the body of the tiger. So put all these three things with you and rotate the palm, and here the mouth will be stick and the tail is here. Okay, now with the using of fevistick I am going to stick it. After pasting, it will look like this. So children, now let's make the mouth of the tiger. For this we need a white sheet. Now draw a shape of mouth and cut it. And children, fill it with the help of the black color. You have to make a nose and a mouth like this, and we are going to stick it here. Tell me children, isn't it look like a tiger? Yes, it's looking like a tiger. Now children, you have to make it by yourself and send the photograph of the tiger on the office number. So children, what we have learned in today's session? In today's session, we have celebrated Animals Day and Global Tigers Day, and we learned some interesting facts about our national animal tiger. Now children, it's time to our homework. You have to complete this work in your workbook in Hindi, English and Maths. Children, as we have already done this work in our notebook in previous session, so you have to revise it and practice it in your workbook by yourself. Okay children? Thank you kids. Bye bye.